Well, we've got this door switch, and these are readily available. You can find them at the parts houses, your normal parts outlet for these cars. You can find them on eBay, whatever. This one is not operating correctly. Our lovely performance tool meter here. Guys, don't buy for performance tool, at least not electronics. But I found it in the shop, and so I use it. About all that it's good for. It does nothing with voltages. I don't know about amperages. It's very unuseful. But it does do the continuity chime, right? Otherwise, it doesn't know its 3-letter naughty word starting with an A from its 5-letter nice word starting with an E. So, but we got no continuity. We got no ground when it should be grounded. So we're going to open this up and see what's going on. Replacements aren't that expensive, but you do question quality, you know. Looks like we just got some tabs here. Okay, we got a contact. And I believe what happens here is our spade connector just comes through the slot and clips under this tab like that. We got a spring. We got a plunger. Brass one, and then a plastic one. Get on out of there. Come on. Anyway, I would assume that when this, see, when this is in, and that contact there, so when this is out, the contact should touch the brass piece. So I'm pretty sure everything just needs to be cleaned up, especially this inner surface here. So I will probably run that home, run it through the media blaster, clean up all this stuff, media blast the spring while we're at it, get that coated with something so it doesn't rust again. And I bet you will work. Alright, we have a little bit of a scenery change here. A guy dropped off some transmissions for me to go through. Hey Larry, how's it going? But, you know, a little bit of change in props, right? But that's okay. What I did on the switch here, I took it home, media blasted the body of it inside and out. Got rid of all the rust, just wanted to get rid of all the corrosion that was preventing our contact from working. Did that, and then I oiled up the inside just to make sure that we wouldn't get corroded right away, and prevent that rust from happening again, and also maintaining a smooth working switch. So we're going to take our little brass plunger here, or our plastic plunger, and put our brass piece on it. Slide that down into the works there. And then our spring. And then our end cap with the little phalange on it. And we're just going to hold it in place. Bend our tabs back over. Now we should get smooth action on the old plunger, which it feels pretty good. Okay, now if our wonderful meter can just keep it together for a few minutes here. Okay, we have continuity there. Save our souls! Okay, anyway. That is one working 1948, 80-year-old, almost 80-year-old door switch. Okay guys, well if you're new here because of this silly little video, you can go to my channel, go to the 48 Chevy playlist, and I have many videos. Previous project was a 48 Stylemaster. Included in that, if you're into the electricals on your project, we rebuilt the majority of that factory wiring harness with new materials, but to look like the original 6-volt wiring harness on this 48 Fleetmaster. We are completely in the process of completely rewiring this thing, updating it to 12 volts, and I am actually about done, and that is why I was touching on the door switch, because we're getting down to it. That's one of the things I had left to do. So there you go guys, you can check that out, and everything else we are doing you can check out as well. So we will see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye-bye.